In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email to your Monday.com board, mastering email integration with Monday.com, 5 minutes. If you live in your inbox but manage work in Monday.com, this flow will save you time and keep important details centralized. We'll start with enabling email to board, then show how to create new items or update existing ones via email, and finish by connecting Gmail or Outlook with built-in integrations. First, sign into Monday.com and open the board where you want emails to land. Look to the top right of the board for the three-dot menu, open it, and hover over Settings. From there, choose Create Items via Email. This reveals a unique email address for your board. You can copy it as is or customize it so it's easy to remember. Treat this address like a doorway into your board. Share it only with people who should be able to add items. A quick tip, save it as a contact in your email client for one-tap access later. Now send an email to that board address. The subject line becomes the item name, and the body of the email becomes the first update on that item. Keep your subject concise and action-oriented because that's what you'll see in your board. If you include formatting or links in the body, Monday.com will preserve them in the update so teammates can read the full context. Next, let's talk about updating items by email. Use the exact same board email address. This time, make sure your email subject exactly matches the name of an existing item on that board. When it matches, Monday.com adds your email body as a new update on that item rather than creating a new one. If there's a typo or extra characters, a new item may be created instead, so copying the item name directly can help avoid errors. To go further, open the integrations panel on your board. Search for Gmail or Outlook, depending on what you use. Choose a recipe that fits your workflow, such as creating an item when an email arrives, or adding an update when an email is starred, labeled, or moved to a folder. Connect your email account when prompted, then map fields like subject, sender, and body to the relevant columns in your board. This lets you automatically capture email details into status, text, person, or date columns, keeping everything structured. After saving, send a quick test email to confirm your mapping behaves as expected. And that's it. You've enabled email to board, learned how to create and update items from your inbox, and set up an integration to automate the rest. If something doesn't appear, double check the board's email address, the exact item name in your subject, and that your integration is authenticated and active.